Hi, I have a 2014 Toyota Highlander. He has 138,000 miles and the PCV valves have never changed. So today I'm going to replace it and see how it goes. To locate the PCV valve, first remove the beauty cover. Then you'll find it on the top or the right side of the valve cover, and there's a big giant hose attached to it, and you won't miss it. Loosen the hose from the PCV valve and move it to the side, then get a 19 mm deep socket like this one, which is a lot easier compared to a regular wrench. To loosen the PCV valve, you need to turn counterclockwise, like that. Finally, I got it loosened and take it out. Look, over 130,000 miles. Look at that. Oh. Here you see that on the thread there's some sealant on it, so I'm going to put some sealant for the new one. And here is the part number for that valve. Make sure you buy the OEM, don't buy the cheap one. The OEM is only around $12 on Amazon. I'm going to put a link in my description. And it lasts until 130,000 miles. The old one is still working. I just want to replace it because 130,000 miles on it. $12 one OEM, buy you some insurance. Is how the OEM look like. And you shake it, you can hear the valve is moving. I don't know if you can hear it, but here you can see the valve is moving when you shake it. Beside the PCV valve, you also need some thread locker. Here's a Lotus 242 number thread locker I use. I will also put a link on my descriptions so you can get it from Amazon. So I'll put some thread locker on the thread of the PCV valve. It's a blue solutions. And I'm using my finger to spread the solution across the thread. Try to cover as much as possible. Now time to put in the new PCV valve, turn it clockwise with my hand first until it's tight, and then use the deep socket with a torque wrench, torque it to 20 foot-pounds. I usually don't torque it exactly 20 foot-pounds. I usually do maybe 18, 17, and that's good enough for me. Connect the PCV hose to the PCV valves. I have the clip I bought from the dealer, which I lost, and now I put it back with the clip. I usually double check to make sure everything is secure and nothing is loose, and you don't want that to happen when you're driving. The last step is to put the beauty cover back on the top. And here you go. Check everything is secure, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and see you around.